And like we just mentioned, we'll be live out at Balloon Fiesta Park. David's going to be there all week this week, keeping an eye on things for you guys. But really, the number one question, as throughout the rest of the week, will be, Ryan, what are those winds doing this morning? What's the likelihood of those balloons launching?
Very likely. Now, a little bit breezy this morning. There's a slight possibility of a delay because those winds above 10 miles per hour right now. 5:01 on this Monday morning. A northerly wind around 12 miles per hour at the Albuquerque Sunport. And still a little bit breezy as well around Balloon Fiesta Park. Winds generally ranging between 5 to 12 miles per hour, but I think these winds will lighten up from Las Vegas, Albuquerque to Santa Fe as that sun gets closer and closer to rising. Very light winds for the most part right now, a little bit more from the south and west in the northern and western areas, indicative of stronger southwesterly winds aloft, but generally light enough that I think the balloons will most likely be launching just in time for mass ascension at 7 a.m. Now by noon, I think we'll see even lighter winds warming back up in the lower 60s, in the high 50s, low 60s right now at the Sunport. By noon, very sunny in the mid to upper 70s. A few puffy clouds, but remaining rain-free. Not as warm today in the mid-80s. I think we'll sneak in at 85 in Albuquerque, and temperatures generally still above normal despite a slight downtick in afternoon temperatures. 70s for northern areas, not as many 90s in southern areas, but still temperatures in the upper 80s farther to the south. We'll be tracking the slightly more chances of rain ahead.